Ready to give your Mac a fresh start? This is how you factory reset your Mac to its default settings, erasing everything for a clean slate and optimal performance. First, back up any important files, photos, or documents you want to keep. You can use Time Machine or transfer them to an external drive. This process will delete everything. Next, shut down your Mac completely. Don't just put it to sleep. Now, we need to boot into macOS recovery for Macs with Apple Silicon like M1, M2 chips. Press and hold the power button until you see Startup Options, then click Options for Intel-based Macs. Immediately press and hold Command R after turning it on until you see the Apple logo or spinning globe. Once in recovery mode, you'll see a window with options. Select Disk Utility and click Continue. In Disk Utility, select your main startup disk usually named Macintosh HD. Click the Erase button. Choose APFS as the format and GID partition map for the scheme. Click Erase again to confirm. This will wipe your drive clean. After erasing, close Disk Utility. Back in the Utilities window, choose Reinstall macOS and click Continue. Follow the on-screen prompts. Select your erased drive as the destination and let the installation complete. This can take a while, so make sure your Mac is plugged into power. Once macOS is reinstalled, your Mac will restart to the initial setup screen, just like it was when you first unboxed it. You've successfully factory reset your Mac.